Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace hood lift support on an Acura MDX. First, ensure you have a flathead screwdriver and a sturdy prop rod. Safety is key, so securely prop your hood open to avoid any unexpected drops. Next, take a moment to locate the two hood lift supports, one on each side of your engine bay. These are the components we will be replacing today. Now, let's remove the old supports. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry up the small metal retaining clips at each end of the support. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully detach the support from both the hood and the fender mounting points. Remember, it's crucial to remove only one support at a time to keep the hood stable and prevent it from falling. With the old support removed, it's time for the new one. Align one end of the new support with its corresponding ball joint on the hood, then firmly press it into place until you hear a distinct click. Do the same for the other end on the fender mount. Once the first new support is securely installed, you can then proceed to replace the second old support using the exact same steps. After both new hood lift supports are installed, gently lower and raise your hood a few times to confirm smooth and consistent operation. Make sure the hood stays securely open without any sagging. This ensures your new supports are working correctly. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.